I would go to the moon and back with my kids. I tried to give them everything that I didn't have.
What you doing?
Whatever I can do, I feel like giving is important and giving back is important.
Now, what's 4 plus 4? 8.
My kid's dad, we broke up, and he took his card. I went through a tough time dealing with that. I was at a point in my life where I felt like I didn't want to live no more. I work 2 jobs. My morning starts every day at 5. I'm dropping off the kids to 3 different locations before I'm headed to my first job. Having a car again for me would be a blessing. I can get to work on time. One day I'll be able to finish my degree. I feel like having a car, I would be a better mom.
On behalf of Midas, we'd like you to accept this car that we fixed for you.
Oh my God,
We hope it'll make your life a little bit easier.
Thank you so much. Wow, so great. Thank you, I appreciate it. You guys want to check it out? Oh my God. Dear Jasmine, we know raising 3 kids on your own is not easy. You have such a kind and loving heart. They say when you do good, good will come to you. Today is that day. Sincerely, your friends at Midas. I hope that my kids know that if you work hard, dreams do come true. This is gonna be something that's gonna be very beneficial to me and my kids.